My girl got diamonds on her arm, diamonds in her ear. She even wear that diamonds for a year. I'm trying to treat you special, like no one did.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Ali, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see by the title, today we're going to be going over my skincare routine because a lot of people ask for my skincare routine. It's not really that complicated at all, and it's affordable. In my opinion, it's affordable. I'm going to be sharing my skincare routine. I mainly use Korean products on my face, but it's not the only thing I use, so you look at the title very loosely. I got into Korean skincare because I was tired of buying the regular skincare, and it was too much money for this little bottle, and then you need to go buy it every month. Because I'm very consistent with my skincare routine. I don't play it. If there's anything I do consistently in my life, it's my skincare routine. I dipped into Korean skincare because their portions are bigger and they're cheaper, so it's a win-win situation, especially if the product works for your face. I've never really had bad acne skin. My skin has always been dry. I do have eczema, so I guess I could say these products work for sensitive skin. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so starting off with my absolute favorite product and the very start to my skincare journey is the Tula Skincare Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. I've been using this cleanser for about 6 to 7 years now, and honestly, everyone in my family, literally everyone in my family uses it. That's how good it is. It's a gel cleanser that's super gentle on the skin but leaves me feeling fresh and clean. It also has a probiotic extract and turmeric, which helps soothe and calm the skin, while the prebiotics help maintain the skin's natural balance, which I think is a big factor in why this cleanser is so good, because when I don't use it, I notice the dullness in my skin. This cleanser is it. I usually go for a dime size amount, lather it up in my hands, and then I apply it gentle in circular motions. It lathers so well, and right after I rinse it, you can already see my face is glowing. Yeah, thank you, Tula. Now that I've let my face dry from cleansing, I moved on to the Bliss Clear Genius Clarifying Toner plus Serum. I honestly just picked this up randomly one day, and it turned out to be such a great product. The applicator is super convenient. It has a push down top, so when you press on it, the product comes up. You can use a cotton pad with it, but I've heard that cotton pads can be a little rough on the skin, especially if you're using them daily, so I just stick to what feels natural to me, which is my hands. Honestly, I use my hands for every product in my routine, and it works perfectly fine, so don't feel like you need to go get the extra stuff. This toner serum combo is gentle but effective. It has salicylic acid to help keep breakouts under control, witch hazel to tone and tighten, and niacinamide to brighten and even out my skin tone. It doesn't dry me out at all. It absorbs fast, and it leaves my skin feeling clean, balanced, and refreshed every time I use it. It's definitely become a reliable step in my routine. I let the toner sit on my face for a while, and after that I applied the Jumiso All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Serum. This stuff is really a glow booster in a bottle, so if that's something you're looking for, this is definitely the product for you. It's packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants that help even out my skin tone and give me that bright, healthy look. I've been using this serum consistently for a year now, and it's one of those products where I definitely notice a difference when I stop using it. My skin just doesn't look as radiant without it. I use about 3 drops for my whole face. It's super lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving any sticky or greasy feeling. It layers perfectly with the rest of my routine, and I love how smooth my skin feels after. Plus, for how well it works, it's actually really affordable, which makes it easy to keep repurchasing. It truly gives me that natural, lit from within glow I'm always going for. I'm not going to even do a voiceover for this. This right here, I discovered this in October of 2023. Yeah, into 2024, and we're in 2025 right now. Yeah, October of 2023, I discovered this. You want to know how much this cost? This big bottle, my moisturizer, you want to know how much this cost? Oh, it's $30. I bought this in May. So to see, this is a new bottle. The last time I bought this bottle was in December. And I told you guys, I'm consistent with my routine. I use this every single day. This one product, 5 months. Out of a whole year, I'm buying maybe 2 or 3. So I just got this bottle like last week, I think. So this is how it comes. And it comes with a spatula too, because we need all the product. Don't play. If you don't get anything from this video, I'm not gonna lie, get everything. Do you see any product left in this? I used it. I scraped all of it. All my $30 worth. I'm gonna put all the products, link in my bio. Don't play. This is where everything comes together. I take a good amount of the cream, nothing excessive, just enough to fully cover my face without overdoing it. The texture feels really smooth and lightweight, almost like a gel, so it spreads easily and sinks right into the skin. What I really appreciate about this moisturizer is the low molecular hyaluronic acid. It dives deep into the skin to keep it hydrated from within. It's perfect for locking in all the previous steps and giving my skin that soft, fresh finish. Yeah, get into the skin. This is after my moisturizer. It looks really good, really clear, very moisturized, glowy, dewy, and all that. So after I let this sit down for a little bit, I use my COOLA sunscreen spray. Everybody watch my videos, you know. We even have an SPF check in every vlog. We don't play. I love this spray because one, you see how I like to let my skincare sit on my face. I like to do my body care after I put on my moisturizer. I don't want to put the oils and the lotions that I put on my body on my face. So that has always been a struggle for me until I found this. This just makes it very easy to apply sunscreen. Like, you just spray it literally and you're done. On top of that, you know, you're supposed to reapply. Even though I don't do it, you are supposed to reapply sunscreen every 2-3 hours. And I see people using the stick and stuff, but like, this is literally way better than the stick and the cream. Like, and the way it seals like my skincare on my face, I love it. Like, it makes my skin look very bright, dewy. Like, even though it looks like that now, like the way the sunscreen seals and everything, like, I literally don't, that's how much I have left. But this is my skin after my 5-step skincare routine. This is she. I hope you guys like this video. I hope this helped you, put you onto new products. I would definitely say don't be afraid to try new products, especially if you think it's gonna help your face. So definitely try these out, but don't try multiple different products at the same time, because then you're not gonna know what is changing for you. It's like an experiment with too many variables. You're not gonna know which variable is the one that, you know, is the one that made the change. So that's definitely what I would recommend. So first thing to buy here, it depends on you and what you need. Do you feel like you need a new cleanser? You know what works for your face. Do you feel like you need a new cleanser? Do you feel like you need a better moisturizer? Do you feel like you need a better brightening serum or toner? Then, you know, go according to that. Build from what you already have. I know it's very hard to, you know, buy skincare and stuff like that when you're trying to be on a budget and stuff like that. So me understand. Okay, but yeah, thank you for making it to the end of this video. The links to all the products will be down in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you end up trying the products and if it worked for you. I love hearing feedback from people who I recommend stuff to and knowing that it worked for them. Like, I'm happy to freaking help. But make sure to continue to be the top-notch girl I know you are, you know you are, and that the world should see. And we're gonna get this skin clear, bookie.